Our computers take on a lot of data every day, especially when we log into our live sessions, and so it is very important that we go in and clear our cache and cookies. So to do that, you're going to go up into the right-hand corner, click on the three dots, go down until you find Settings. It's the third one from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Click on Settings. And then go over to the left side, and you're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and click on Privacy and Security. It's got the little shield. And then over here in the middle, you're going to click on the little trash can where it says Clear Browsing Data. This will bring up a menu here for you. Now you can choose if you want to clear all of your browsing history, but it's not necessary. But what is necessary is these last two. So make sure you have a check mark for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Now up here it says all time. If you choose to do that the very first time, it's going to take a while for it to clear it. It's okay to do it, it's just going to take you a little while. I do mine every single day, so I'm just going to do the last 24 hours. I'm going to click on Clear Data, and it should be that quick for you. Now again, if you choose to do it for like a long time, a long period of time, 4 weeks or the whole entire time you've had your computer, it's going to take a little bit longer, but that's okay. It's not going to hurt anything on your computer. It's just going to make your computer faster and get rid of all of the unnecessary stuff that you don't need, that would bog down your computer. Make sure you clear your cache and cookies every single day. It is so important that you do it when you're done with all of your live sessions and all of your online lessons. Go ahead and clear those cache and cookies, and you will have a faster computer.